Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use DXtrade right inside TradingView. This is a quick and easy tutorial, so whether you're brand new to TradingView or just looking to integrate DXtrade for the first time, you'll know exactly what to do by the end of this video. We'll cover every step, including what to do if things don't quite look the way you expect. So let's dive right in and get you set up. First things first, go ahead and open up TradingView in your web browser. If you already have a TradingView account, make sure you're logged in. For those of you who might be newer to TradingView, this is one of the most popular platforms for charting and analyzing financial markets, so you're definitely in the right place. Having your account set up just makes everything a lot easier, especially when it comes to connecting with brokers like DXtrade. Now, once you're at the TradingView homepage, glance up to the top of the screen and look for the navigation menu. You'll notice a tab labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that. This Products section is essentially TradingView's gateway to all the different tools and features they offer, from advanced charting to the all-important broker integrations that let you actually place trades through the platform. After you click on Products, scroll down through the drop-down menu that appears and you'll see an option right at the bottom called Trading Panel. Click on Trading Panel. The Trading Panel is where all the action happens. It's like your control center within TradingView for linking up different brokerage accounts and managing trades directly from your charts. So it's pretty powerful once you have it set up. Once you're inside the trading panel, you'll notice a section that lets you choose which brokers you want to connect with. Here's a helpful trick. To see every available brokerage, select All Brokers. Don't just look for the featured partners. Clicking All Brokers opens up the full list and ensures you're seeing every option TradingView supports at this time, including some you might not even know were available. It's a bit like checking the full menu at a restaurant instead of just the chef's specials. Now go ahead and look through the list for DXtrade. Sometimes the list can be a little long, so take your time and don't hesitate to use the search bar at the top of the panel if you want to zero in on it faster. When you find DXtrade, simply select it. TradingView should then walk you through the steps to connect your DXtrade account, and from there you'll be ready to start managing trades directly from your charts. Pretty straightforward. But what if you don't see DXtrade in that list? Don't worry, if it's not appearing, that simply means TradingView doesn't currently support DXtrade in your region or at this time. Broker support can sometimes change based on country or new integration updates, so it's not always in your control. If this happens, you might want to reach out to either TradingView or DXtrade's customer support to see if integration is coming soon, or if there are alternatives that work with your account. And that's all there is to it. Connecting DXtrade to TradingView really is that simple when you know where to look. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. If you have any questions, or if you run into any issues with broker connections, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. And if you want more quick, clear trading tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.